everybody, welcome back to Samara Builds, where I'm building a better life. Now, it would mean a lot if you just like this video, add a little comment down below, share, subscribe, all those things. Please, thanks. Now, I've said this before, but I live in a house that's over 100 years old. I built this bedroom. I made a whole video about it. But one thing that I have no idea how to work with, what to do, is electricity. Now, this ceiling was already in this part of the basement, which is part of why I chose to put my bedroom where it is in the basement. And the light switches and plugs are just already in the ceiling, just these single bulbs, and it was just the two of them. So, not a lot of light in here. Like I said, I don't know how to do anything electrical, so I wasn't going to change out the fixtures by myself. So I have figured out some other great ways to light up my bedroom. Let's get into it. This is the light in the middle of my room, and as you can see, the corner over here is pretty dark. It could definitely use some lighting, so let's light it up. Now this is a hanging cord that I bought off Amazon, trying to show off here that you just plug it in with a 2-prong outlet, just a cord with a light. I'm going to hang it up, so let's just see how it goes. Wow, that already looks so much better. Really happy with the result. As you can see, the cord is just hanging there. I'm going to try to utilize that pipe to get it out of the way. Here I just have some kitchen twine of all things. I thought about using floss, I thought about using yarn. This is just what I had on hand. Honestly, just use what you have. You don't have to use something for its only intended purpose. Be creative, because honestly, nobody cares. So obviously I'm just trying to get it up around the pipe and get it out of the way. Doing my best. Does it look perfect? Absolutely not. But here we go. Here is the finished result, and I was actually really surprised with how much I like it. It's quirky and fun, kind of what I'm going for, so I love it. Here's another plug-in light. It's a lot longer and it has 3 sockets for lights. Here I am just plugging it in. What I really like about these hanging cords is that with a hook, you can move them around and put them exactly where you want them. And another hot tip, cute bulbs go a long way, and so I definitely recommend upgrading to a cuter bulb. This is another area of my room where there's not a lot of light, and there's also no outlets over here. And this is just another area where I thought that I could use a little bit more light. So I got these stick-on battery-powered lights that are powered by remote control, and they actually have made a huge difference. This was something that was another great idea. Just like the plug-in cord, this one actually goes right into the socket. The only issue that I had with this one is I have yet to find a bulb that actually fits. I don't understand why, because it says in the description what types of bulbs should fit, but so far nothing has. So over here, I'm just sticking with the regular bulb for now. Once again, a cute bulb goes a long way. This is a handy little thing just to put 2 bulbs in one socket. Okay, so I'm getting carpet put back in my room this week. Ooh, ooh. So when I do that, I'm going to do some finishing touches on the room, including some things with the lights. And so I'll post the finished product then. But at least now I have some ideas and you have some ideas of easy ways to add lighting to a room without adding a whole new fixture, getting into electrical wires. Like that just doesn't sound safe for me with my skill set. So this is a lot easier and it looks great. So let me know if there's anything that you would do differently. Do you think that I should spray paint that one cord white? I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, but cheers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.